Can we stop believing that reaching your goal weight is the finish line? Because losing weight is only half the journey. Keeping it off is where your new life actually begins. I am Dr. Melissa Ramsey, the weight loss habitologist. I'm the nurse practitioner at Get Your Body Back Wellness Center located in Edgewater, Maryland, where every week we spend about 5 minutes changing the way you think about weight loss, one habit at a time. Today, while we're talking, I'm going to make one of my favorite morning drinks, my peanut butter protein coffee. Because around here, habits don't have to be boring. They should fit into your everyday life. So I have with me my 1-Up Nutrition. This is protein. It has about 20 grams of protein per serving. And then I'm just using Folgers Classic Roast coffee, but you could use any coffee that you have. And one of the questions that I hear often is, Dr. Ramsey, what happens when I finally reach my goal weight? Do I just go back to normal? My answer is always no, because your old normal is exactly what got you here. For years, I believed that once I reached my goal weight, I'd finally be finished. No more planning meals. I'd never have to think about what I ate again. I could just eat what I wanted. Friends, that's a lie. It just doesn't work that way. Obesity is a diagnosis, and once you have it, it will never go away. It's actually an addiction. Do you think drug addicts don't think about drugs? Do you think alcoholics don't think about alcohol? Of course they do. So there will never be a time when you don't think about how food impacts your life. I actually think food addiction is harder because you have to eat. You have to find the balance. Oof, I just had to get that out. That's just how I feel. Can we stop believing that maintenance means the hard part is over? Because maintenance isn't the end. It's where your lifestyle actually begins. So I'm going to add 20 grams of protein, just 1 scoop. And this is something that I drink because it's a part of my routine. And I've noticed that I struggle with staying asleep through the night. So I like to linger in bed for as long as I can. Perimenopause and menopause is a whole nother ball game. Anywho, I recognize that I still need to start my day with protein, whether I eat it or I drink it. That's the difference between a habit and a diet. And so apply the goal. People ask me all the time, do you still eat every 4 hours? Yes. Do you still prioritize protein? Absolutely. Do you still plan your meals? Mostly. It's easier to prepare meals that are already planned out. I think less about what I'm going to eat. I just execute and go throughout my day. It's so much easier to eat every 4 hours and maintain my weight than to restrict, give up, and start over. I'm just going to take a drink here. Peanut butterific. So when you restrict, you're actually just hungry. And so you just need to eat every 4 hours. That's your body telling you gotta eat. And so I don't want you to survive another diet. I want you to enjoy this process. I'm helping you to become someone who chooses healthier habits that fit your life, because what fits my life may not fit your life. This is tailored medicine, my friends. And so I'm just going to drink one more. And that's also why I'm so passionate about what I do. GLP-1 medicine can be an incredible tool. Shoot, I use it too. I prescribe them every day. But medication doesn't teach you how to keep the weight off. Your habits do. The habits you build are what stay with you, whether you choose to continue on the medication, microdose, or gradually wean off. That decision is yours to make. So today, I want to leave you with one question. Could you continue doing what you're doing 5 years from now? If the answer is no, we need a better plan. because lasting success isn't built by doing something perfectly. It's built by consistency. I didn't maintain my weight because I have extraordinary willpower. Matter of fact, I keep my environment successful because I have no willpower. I've maintained my weight because I created a routine that fits my everyday life. And that's exactly what I want for you. And now I am fueling my body with protein while enjoying something I genuinely look forward to every day. I love my coffee. Like, look at this big cup. Yeah, I don't drink those little cups. And that's what sustainable habits look like. And guess what? I'm no longer on the medication. I wanted to be off the medication, and I've weaned myself off 5 years ago, and I'm still off the medication to this day. Thank you so much for joining me for another coffee talk. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you need help building healthy habits? If you're ready to stop chasing diets and start building habits that last a lifetime, I'd love to help. Our 14-week Habit Shift program was designed to teach you not just how to lose weight, but how to maintain it through sustainable research-based change. This is not my opinion. This is research data, cognitive behavioral therapy. Until next time, can we stop believing that maintenance means the hard part is over? Because weight loss changes your body. Habits change your life. I'm Dr. Melissa Ramsey, the weight loss habitologist, and I'll see you at the next coffee talk.